All right, so these little ring lights, you know, you might see them around, but you don't realize how much you love these lights until you get them. I mean, what they're designed for is, yeah, you know, if you take calls, or you do a lot of like stuff on your phone with your camera, you can put this around there and then have a nice key light because it goes over the lens. You can also put it on for the back part as well. Sorry, let's flip that. So you can get like the back lenses with a key light. Also, you can put this over your laptop if you want like a good light around your laptop one. But I mean, what a lot of people don't really talk about is how useful this is in every day. Like a lot of times, like if I'm taking the trash out in the middle of the night, I'll actually just take this and just like clip it to my shirt, and then I got like this hands-free like light that's attached to my shirt, and it works so good for that I use these all the time. But the battery also lasts, and a lot of times too, if you haven't used it in a while, a lot of these batteries will just die out. But these things, like, you can find this like a month later, you're like, oh yeah, there it is, let's grab it, ready to go. And the batteries do last a long time. I think that this is such a great tool just for the everyday, and I think it has a really nice, like, it adds a lot of good key light to you. Highly recommend it. Just if you're looking at this right now and you're like on the fence, just you'll like this. It's great. So thanks for watching.